Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday, which means we're outside of Meijer. I almost said Walgreens. I don't know why. Yeah, I've been super busy. So if I missed any deals, drop them in the comments because I kind of quickly went through the ad. So I may have missed something with Ibotta or like Fetch or something. Yeah. But anyway, Meyer's a little slower this week. They do have a spend 100, get $10 Catalina to use next week. Now, usually it's spend 100, get 20, so they're just being a little cheap on this promotion. So yeah, I don't plan on doing it, but there's a lot of decent deals. So let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. We have okay savings on Degree deodorant this week. They're on promotion for buy one get one 40% off, and they're $5.29 at my store. So one at full price, one at 40% off for the men's or the women's. They are $5.29, so your total will be $8.46. We have a $4 digital coupon, so make them $4.46 for both. The better deal is on Axe deodorant 6. They're also on promotion for buy one get one 40% off, and they're also $5.29. So grabbing one at full price, one at 40% off will be $8.46. For these though, we have a $6 digital coupon and making them $2.46 for both. So this week a new promotion started. It's on personal care PG items. It's spend $40, you'll get $10 off. Now unfortunately there's tons of different cross coupons, but otherwise there's not much else going on. There's tons of Dove coupons, so too bad Dove is Unilever. Found a couple of the Dr. Teal's items that are on clearance. So we got these three things at 25% off. We have a really good deal on the Shea Moisture hair care if it's something that you like. So they are on sale for $10.99 for the shampoo conditioners, but you don't have to grab those if you don't like them, or if you want to grab something more like a leave-in conditioner or one of the masks. But we have a buy one get one free digital coupon, so you can grab your favorite items. And if you want to just be on the cheap side, I scanned the little mask packet and it scans it with the coupon. So if you want to just grab something as cheap as the mask, you can grab two of those for just $3.49 because the buy one get one free coupon works for that. This week on cat food and treats, litter, all that, Purina products are buy $45 worth. You'll get $10 off instantly. We do have a decent amount of coupons in the Meijer app and some ibotta rebates, so you can potentially save a decent amount of money depending on what you need to grab. Now, if you need dog supplies instead, it's spend $65, get $15 off instantly. There's a lot less digital coupons and ibotta rebates for the dog stuff. We also got a new Kimberly-Clark promotion starting this week. It's spend $50 on select Kimberly-Clark products. You'll get $15 off instantly. In my opinion, there isn't the best deals this week, so I'm going to hold off till next week. It's valid till the 26th, so I'm going to wait. The Airwick Essential Oils refills, the 4-count, are on sale for $9.99. We have a $2.50 digital coupon, so you'll pay $7.49 at the register. You'll take your receipt, submit it to ibotta for $1.75, making it just $5.74. Now, like I've pointed out to you guys in the past, sometimes you're going to get lucky and find a 5-count that's part of the $9.99 sale price. Apparently, check your store for the Cherry Blossom Febreze twin pack. It went on clearance. I didn't even realize it, and it's already 50% off. Two easy, cheap deals on Febreze this week. You can grab the single count of the Febreze Linen in the Sky. It's on sale for $3.49. There's a $2 digital coupon, making it $1.45. And on this specific Febreze Air Mist, the watermelon one, it is $3.69. We have a $2 digital coupon for this one, making it $1.69. Great deal on the Kraft Deluxe mac and cheese, the single count boxes, or the single count of the Velveeta boxes. They're on sale for $2.89, and there's a $1 digital coupon, make them $1.89. There's an amazing deal on these Bush's Sidekicks, but there is it's going to end very soon. They're $1.79. There is a 50-cent each digital coupon, so you'll pay $1.29. Then on Ibotta, there is a 75-cent rebate. It's a limit of 5, and there's a timer on there, so just double check your account. But after the 75 cents on Ibotta, it can make up to 5 of them, just 54 cents each. Yo, this is my favorite deal of the week. I love these Knorr 3 cheese mushroom risotto cups. They're on sale 2 for $4, and there's a $1 digital coupon, making them 2 for $3. Easy deal on potatoes this week. You can grab these Idahoan bags of potato mixes. They're on sale 4 for $5, and we have a $1 digital coupon, making them $1 per bag, which I feel like is a pretty good deal. Easy savings on Chex Mix or Bugles. They're on promotion for buy one get one free, so you can mix and match and grab your 2 favorite flavors. This cheesy pizza looks good. I think it's new. I don't recall seeing it. If you've tried it, let me know how it is. Y'all, look what I found. 50% off on clearance. There's an $8 digital coupon. I'm not sure if it's going to attach, so I'm going to take it up to the register and see if it'll attach, because it's $16 right now. With that coupon, it'll just be $8. Like, that's insane. The Ben & Jerry pints of ice cream are on sale 2 for $8, and there's a $2 digital coupon, making them 2 for $6. Easy meal this week. You can grab the DiGiorno pizzas, the rising crust, or like the loaded that one, or the firewood. They're on sale 2 for $10. Another easy meal idea is on the bags of Tyson chicken. They're buy one get one 40% off. I don't see any digital coupons or rebates for this, but that's still not that bad of a price. Meijer small pack chicken are buy 2 get 1 free, so you can mix and match between like the tenderloins or the chicken breast. Or if you prefer the Meijer brand pork chops, they're buy one get one for $1 this week. Y'all, look what I found. I'm so excited about this. This Blue Buffalo Love Made Fresh. This is the meatballs. You can grab either this 1 pound bag, or you can grab the 1.5 pound bag that are like the bigger dog ones. I have like medium sized dogs. These are made for small breeds. I'm just gonna grab it, but we have 1,000 points per dollar spent on Fetch, so make one of these basically free. $7.69. You can grab the chicken one, or there's a beef one. I don't understand why the beef is like $2 more. Dole salad kits are on a good sale. They're on promotion for buy one get one for $1. They're $4.79, so you'll grab 2 of them for just $5.79. The mini seedless watermelons are buy one get one for $1, and they're $4.99, so you'll grab 2 of them for $5.99. All right, we're back in from checkout, and checkout went perfectly fine. So I grabbed the Axe deodorant deal, the Blue Buffalo, the Knorr, and then the Swiffer to see if that coupon would come off. So let's go over my receipt. So as you can see, these are the Axe deodorant. One did bring in as the 40% off, and then $3 came off of each one. Then we have the Blue Buffalo. There's no coupon for that, so it was what, $7.69? Yep. Then we have the Knorr rice cups. They are on sale 2 for $4, and 50 cents came off of each one. Then we have the Swiffer kit ringing at $16, and the $8 coupon came off, so it was just $8 for that. I think that's a really good deal. So before tax, my total was $21 roughly. I submitted to Fetch for the $7.69-ish or whatever, so it makes everything just like $14 roughly, depending on how you calculate Fetch. I think that's a really, really good deal, and I'm excited to try the meatballs or whatever. My dogs didn't like what is it? It was the other refrigerated Blue Buffalo. It was like the tube stuff. They didn't like that at all, so I'm really hoping that they like. I mean, this was free, so I hope they like it. I mean, they're gonna eat it regardless, so they'll just struggle to eat it otherwise. Anyway, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.